Is it a mistake running into?
It's so huge. Thank you, Daddy. Say thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad.
Kakain ka rin ng cake?
Something about the way you walked in my direction.
Wait.
Is that for Mom? Parang sinisira niya yung
Good morning, everyone. Say hi, Kale. You want to say hi? Hi. It's Valentine's Day and it's a rainy Valentine's Day. Maulan siya. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Kita ka ba? No, he's eating. He's busy eating yogis. You love yogis? No. No, inuunti-unti mo nga lagi yogis mo.
So confident, but unassumingly. And thinking about the night you took my hand for the first time. It took a minute to admit it, but it turns out that you were all I needed. Yeah, the calm I crave, the sunshine when I hate to drive in the rain. Oh, I must have done something right to have you in my life. They say that love is never easy, but baby, I say we're living proof, living proof. They say that the honeymoon won't last, but baby, they haven't been with you. I love to love to love you. I do. I do. You'll have to tell me why we're meant to be together. Reading me your vows every single day. I used to dread the mornings, but with you I'd rather chase the sunrise. I feel the minutes disappearing, but I know now that you were all I needed.
Then ito sir, meron na rin po siyang telescopic stand.
Natatanggal ba to?
Ay, yung pads, fabric niya sir. Natatanggal na siya sir.
Itong buo.
No sir.
Ay, hindi.
Nakafix na siya sir.
Is that Kale, Kale? Is that Kale, Kale? You have your new car seat na. You say, thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Do you love Mommy? Yes, you're so sweet naman. Yeah, you're so sweet, darling. I'm just waiting for the car seat na ma-install para makasakay na si Kale, Kale. Wow! New car seat! New car seat! Give mo na yung gift mo, Valentine's gift. Yan. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, what? Picture kayo ni Kaylee Mamila.
Yay! Ba't basa to?
Laway. Parang against the light pala kayo. Wow.
Look to mami.
Okay, look here. Wow. Oh, happy Valentine's Day, Lola.
Kiss mo. Kiss mo si Lola. Oh, ba't
Oh,
binabawi?
Lola. Ito daw kasi sa'yo, hindi daw yan.
Ikaw talaga. Bumigip pa.
Picture kayo, picture. Video muna. Hi.
Hello. Look to mami.
You calm my crave, the sunshine.
Oh,
Ano tawag dyan? Anong tawag?
Unilo.
Uniqlo.
Uniqlo pala. Parehas na rin yun.
Sa iyo, 22.
22.
Doon sa kay Lola. Sabi, mas malalim yung kay Lola. Yung sa iyo yung 22, Lola. Ito po, 20. Kaya mas mura siya. Ano pa po mo kayo? Promo dicer.
Ayoko ng may gas-gas ha. Inutang ko lang sa Bombay ang pambayad dyan.
Ibi yung chan mo, ano yun mo?
Sabihin mo sa bahay tayo. Ako medyo.
Oo.
Yung maintenance dito. May cage naman siya. I-update namin sa space.
Wow! Lapit mo siya.
Pamangkit nga ako, boss, kung magkano. Fruit cake.